What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be drawing the Demogorgon from Stranger Things. So, big flower head and a big mouth and lots of teeth. So it's pretty straightforward, right? It's kind of like just, like 5 petals with teeth and stuff. So I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So we'll start with the top middle one, right? So it kind of like just spikes up near the top of my page. Comes back down. This is going to go around. A bit wider, maybe this way. All right, I'll erase that. And then this spikes out around here, up and in, like so. Then we do the same thing on the other side, up this way, and down, like so. So it's kind of tilted a little bit, so a bit diagonal, see, like that. And then the bottom two. So we go down again. These are kind of smaller than these ones. Up into there. Like so. This kind of joins its neck a little bit here, right? So, like so. So then there's basically like a big black hole in the middle of the head, right? So it kind of curves around here. And there's lots of these texture lines that go around, right? And I'll add a dark section just so we know it's kind of empty down here. You can see the whole way down in the picture, but I'll just because we're doing a black line image, I'll just color this black. So then we'll add like some other ridges and stuff coming around. Lots of the skin and stuff going around this. Right, kind of like that, right? And then he's got a ridge that goes the whole way around the flower head. So each of these, right? So you just follow around your edge again. Just go around the basic shape again. Right, like that. Then you want to add texture to this just a little bit, right? So you'll go like around each one. So just to give it a shape like this. So you're curving lines, see that? Just makes it look a bit more three-dimensional. Very helpful when you're doing a line drawing. Of course, if you're shading, you could do that with shade. So like a darker tone along here as well. And then we just go the whole way around. Sound effects. drawing sound effects. Right, and then we've got like some texture lines that like go around here, right, all up, and there's like layers and layers of teeth, right? So all up around here, following the shape of each sort of petal. Kind of like that, right? We'll get the main body shape in before I do all the teeth, because that'll be like really boring because there's so much teeth and stuff, right? So the neck down there, and this side of the neck down here. Trapezius this way, and trapezius kind of higher up on this side, so it comes out from the petal. It's because his head is tilted sort of this way. So we got like some wrinkle lines that come down, say, the middle of the neck. Like that. And out from here go the collarbones, right? So collarbones go around like this. Right? And they kind of go into his shoulder. And around there. And then the top of that bone. Down around like so. We do the same thing on this side. And around back into here. Okay. And then we got like texture. Like so. And then shoulder sticks out here. Tricep comes out that way. So shoulder out here, tricep goes out that way. Then the shoulder, shoulder and chest muscles are nearly like the same, but we'll add like a shoulder line here. Shoulder line sort of there. And we've got this breast bony section coming down the middle of his chest. Like that. And then these lines join here. Alright, so these muscle fiber sort of lines, very thin, going back this way. Right? Same on this side pretty much. Muscle fiber lines. Sort of join the arm there somewhere. And then shoulder fiber lines. So and some on this side. So that. And then drool, like lots of strings of drool coming down, right? So you can do as much of this as you want now. It's very stringy in the picture I'm drawing from, but I'm kind of like simplifying it a little bit. So making it more oozy, like kind of like that. Right, like so. Then teeth, okay? So this is just layers and layers and layers of teeth. So easiest way is to go like V's. I'll do the first layer and then I'll probably speed it up because it'll take ages. So like this kind of shape, right? So you'll just go like this. So if you just do these V's first, all in layers, and then add the bottoms. Like that. And you do that pretty much everywhere, right? So these ones point up and these ones point down. And then you just kind of go for it. Okay, and then like debris and stuff, spit and all this kind of stuff going all around his head. There's like as much teeth as you would like to add, you can add it forever. So depending on what you want to do in terms of those teeth, I'll just leave it there because I think it's enough. I think I've filled it up enough. But you could keep going forever. I think that'll do. That's how to draw the Demogorgon from Stranger Things. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.